Hello students, welcome to the time classes here. In this session, we are going in the series of questions here which we are discussing from AIMCAT Essay 2404. Let's discuss another question here. Okay, before doing this one, remember. Okay, now let's see this question here. It reads: a cement dealer bought cement for 10.5 lakhs. Okay, from a cement factory. It clearly tells this one: a cement dealer bought a cement here. That is referring to the cost price here. What is the cost price of cement here? It is 10.5 lakhs here. He transported 5 lorries load of cement every day from factory godown to his own godown here, spending 1200 per lorry load here. Okay, it clearly says this one. He transported 5 lorry loads here, and each lorry load is costing him how much? It is 1200. Okay, per load here. Okay, so total, how much would it cost him for transport per day? Means it is 5 into 1200, that is equal to 6000. Okay, so additional cost actually for transportation will be how much? It is a 6000 per day. Okay, like this. Now it reads this one: starting from the 6th day, the factory charged him 900 per day. Okay, so for the first 5 days here, there was no charge here. Okay, there was only transportation charge here, but starting from the 6th day onwards here, okay, the factory actually charged him 900 per day, okay, for not clearing the godown here. Okay, every day onwards here, every day starting from the 6th, maybe 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and so on here. Okay, every day he has to, okay, bear this one 1200 per lorry load here for that 5 lorry loads of transport here. That is 6000 actually he has to bear for transportation charges here, and 900 he has to bear here per day for not clearing the godown here. Right? Okay, all this actually adds up to the cost price, adds up to his cost price only here. But it reads, after some days, all the cement transported was sold off. Okay, and next it reads this one: the dealer sold the cement for 12.4 lakhs here. Okay, and thereby made a net profit of how much? 1.048 lakhs. Okay, in how many days did the dealer clear the factory godown here? Okay, clearly this is a question in topic profit and loss here. Okay, in this topic profit and loss, we need to be careful about this one. How much is the cost here and how much is the selling price here? What is the cost price? What is the selling price? The difference in these two, selling price and the cost price, gives the profit. Okay, please see here, the details are already given for us. The selling price actually is equal to 12.4 okay lakhs here. Okay, let's understand this one. Let's have a careful understanding for this one. Okay, selling price actually is equal to how much? It is equal to 12.4 lakhs. Okay, further it said this one: he is making a net profit of 1.048 lakhs here. Okay, so here he is telling this one, the profit actually is equal to 1.048 lakhs here. Now the cost, when we are talking of here, there are actually of different things here. That is, there is a purchase. Okay, he purchased some cement here. How much has he purchased it for? He bought the cement for 10.5 lakhs. Right now, okay, so here we know the cost price for this one purchase is equal to how much? It is 10.5 lakhs. Okay, there is a transportation charge here. There is a transportation charge, and then there is a charge actually for, okay, this one factory charging him for not clearing the godown here. Okay, for not clearing the godown. Okay, now the question, please observe this one. So here we can tell it this way. Okay, say suppose this dealer, if he has not cleared the godown for n number of days. Okay, so suppose if I am looking for this one, that number of days actually is equal to n. Okay, n number of days here. Now for this n number of days here, he is actually bearing the transportation charges here. Correct now? Okay, that transportation charge, how much is he, okay, this one spending here? 1200 per lorry load here, and like that 5 lorry loads per day. So hence 5 into 1200, that is 6000, okay, per day he is actually spending on transport. So hence his cost actually will come like this here. It is what? It is a 6000 and then into a n. Okay, one more point actually, okay, one more part which adds up to this one cost price here is the, okay, how much the factory is charging him. Okay, the factory is charging him 900 per day. But please understand, this 900 per day is being charged here for this one after the 6th day onwards here. That means for first 5 days actually there was no such charge like that. So hence we can tell this one. Okay, so the additional charge actually that he has to bear is how much? It is 900 times of how much? It is n minus 5. So for the first 5 days, that was, okay, that 900 was not charged here. From 6th day onwards to that n number of days here, okay, he is being charged here 900 each. Okay, so all this combined together actually will be the cost price for this dealer here. Okay, he made a profit of 1.408 here, and that the total selling price is equal to 12.4. What do we know? How are these items related to each other? We know this one, cost price and then plus a profit should equal how much it is the selling price here. That's it. Okay, let us simplify this one, and that will give us a, let us simplify this one and try to get the value for n here. Okay, observe this. What can we tell? If I have to open this one, I'll get this one 6000 n here plus a 900 n here, which gives me how much? It is 6900 n here. Okay, minus, okay, 5 9s is 45, so here I can tell it is minus of 4500 here. Okay, plus of how much? It is a 10.5. Okay, yeah, one more point here. There's one more small point to understand. Okay, these values which are given are in lakhs here. 10.5, 1.048 here, and 12.5, they are in lakhs. Okay, so let's be careful with this units also here. Okay, so let's be careful with this units also here. Okay, and write it properly here. Okay, so here I can tell this one 6000 n, okay, plus how much? It is 900 times of an n minus a 5 here. Okay, this one, okay, this one is equal to how much? It is 12.4 minus a 10.5. Let me do this one, 12.4 minus of a 10.5. How much is this? Okay, 9514 here. So this is 1.9. Okay, from this 1.9 here, if I subtract this profit also here, that is 1.048. 1.048. If I have to subtract here, I'm going to get this one 2 here. Okay, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4 is 5 here, and this is 8 here, 0.852. Okay, so hence we'll get this one. The value of all these ones is equal to 0.852 lakhs. 0.852 in lakhs here. Okay, let's write that one in thousands only here. We are going to get it like this. It is 852, and then how much it is? How many? Okay, 2 zeros here. That is 85,200 here. That's it. Okay, so now let's try to find the value for n here. Okay, opening the brackets here, we get this way here. It is 6000 plus a 900. That is 6900 n minus of a 4500. Okay, is equal to 85200 here. Okay, so here I can tell this one n is equal to how much? It is 8. Okay, this is 8 here. This is 85200 plus a 4500. Okay, whole divided by 6900 here. Okay, 2 zeros everything can be cancelled here. So here I can write it is 852 plus a 45 here. That will give me 897. Okay, so here I'm getting this is 897 divided by 69. Okay, let's divide this by 3 first here. 3, how many times? 3 2 is 6. This is 23. Okay, 323. Okay, next one, 3 2 is 6 here, 7 8, 3 9 is 27. 27, 2 here, 3 9s is again a 27 here. Okay, let's do this one. 23, how much it is? 1 is 23 here, and there is a 6 here. Okay, 23, 3 is actually is equal to 69 here. So hence we'll get this one, n is equal to 13. Okay, so what did we find? The dealer cleared this one, the go down here in total 13 number of days here. What is the question asking? In how many days did the dealer clear the this one, the factory go down here? It is that 13 days. Okay, one has to understand this one. In that 13 days here, for the first 5 days actually, okay, he didn't pay this one, the factory, he didn't pay this one 900 per day here. Okay, for the remaining, how many? 13 minus 5 here, that is total 8 days here. Okay, he has paid this one, the factory, the factory charged him additional 900. Okay, the point simple to understand. Okay, what are the total costs actually? What will be the total selling price? The difference between the selling price and the cost price here will give us the profit here. This, okay, such identification is a, one has to identify such things very carefully and then answer the question here. Okay, so that's the answer to this particular question here.